Hello everyone, I am Vaishali. Today I am going to give you a dictation of legal matter of 400 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Chairman, Sir, while expressing my views on this proposal, I had requested that public undertakings were set up in view of the healthy competition for making good atmosphere and to ensure regular productivity in industrial sector. Full stop. They got success in early years but slowly. Full stop. Government machinery dominated and the productivity reduced due to it, and management kept on deteriorated. Due to this reason, one by one, many units suffered loss. Full stop. According to the details made available here, the top 10 loss incurring units are Fertilizer Corporation of India, Eastern Coal Field, Air India, CCI, Hindustan Fertilizer Corporation, Bharat Coking Coal, National Steel Corporation, Indian Iron and Steel Company and Hindustan Shipyard. Full stop. The overall loss suffered by these units is rupees 5,800 crores. Full stop. Such a huge loss is a matter to be considered. Full stop. We should ponder on the resolution moved by Dr. Asim Bala, that how we could run the units which could be full stop. Otherwise, many more undertakings would be shut down and the loss continue to increase. Full stop. Paragraph change. I would like to mention particularly some of the cases. Full stop. One of them is the matter of Cement Corporation of India. Full stop. I have mentioned regarding some of them earlier. Full stop. Loss in it is increasing day by day. Full stop. Negotiations are going on to sell some of the units. Full stop. They could be set right, but for it there should be willpower, which lacks. Full stop. The loss is increasing because of it, and gradually it increased so much that a situation come that they could not be run. Full stop. There are some units which run sometimes and sometimes they do not. Full stop. The employees and laborers are paid late, but they are not using their full production capacity. Full stop. Paragraph change. There are 2 units of Cement Corporation of India in Nayagaon in my constituency. Full stop. Sometimes they are functioning and sometimes they are not working for many years. Full stop. This situation is because of this management. Full stop. I want to put before you some portion of a opinion published in Mahanagar Times. Full stop. It is said in it that to declare our commitment to end the corruption in country, we can accept the corruption in Cement Corporation as a challenge. Full stop. If any positive action is taken in this regard, the corruption in many areas should be eradicated. Full stop. The prevailing corruption in Cement Corporation of India is the matter of public discussion. Full stop. Thank you.